Hello there, this is take two. How about that, huh? I had a oops. Okay, welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so I would like right off the bat for you to give it a thumbs up. You know, it doesn't hurt you to give a thumbs up if you like it, so just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know you're gonna like it. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to make home fries. You know, like you have home fries on your breakfast? Alright, I'm going to teach you how to make home fries, and we're going to be doing that on the stove, okay? Alright, let's do it. I haven't done this one, so why not show you how I eat my home fries? Alright. Okay, so I have here already cut up, and it doesn't matter how you cut them up, okay? 2 large white potatoes, okay? I have on the stove here some olive oil, and you can see how much I have way down there. Not that much, right? I cut up a half of a red pepper. And I'm going to be using some onions that I processed in the food processor. I'll tell you how much when I start this process. Okay, so we're going to put a potato in and see if our oil is ready. Not quite. So I'm going to put my onions in and get those started. So let's add 1, 2, 3 heaping tablespoons of cut up onions. Now if you don't have a food processor to cut yours up, you can cut them up by hand with a knife. Alright, now we're going to add our potatoes. And our red peppers. Okay, I'm going to put some more oil on the top. And now let's add some seasonings. I'm going to add some granulated garlic. Some Lawry's seasoning salt. And some black pepper. Okay, and I'm going to turn it all over so that I know that everything has the oil on it and lubricated. Okay, I'm going to put a top on it. And I'm going to turn my fire on to number 4. So you can see that this is not going to cook fast, okay? Alright, so we're going to let that cook, and we'll be back in about maybe 3 minutes and we'll check on that, okay? Thanks. Okay, so let's check our home fries. They've been cooking for about 4 minutes. I'm going to turn them over. Okay, I'm going to let that continue to cook while I give you the word of the day. The word of the day. How we pick a mate. How we pick a mate. Some people pick a mate by looks. Oh, they like that they're long hair, or they're handsome, or they're skinny, or they're fat, or whatever it is, looks. Other people pick a mate by who's around them. Convenience. Someone at work, someone that's always at your friend's house. Convenience. And other people pick mates through the internet. Dating site, Facebook, wherever they can meet them on the internet. And the most important point that I like, and the way that I think that people should pick a mate, is by their personality. You know, what they stand for, how they act, how they treat people, how they treat society. What do they contribute to society? Now that's the kind of mate I like. So you write and tell me, how do you pick your mate? This ought to open up a real dialogue. Okay, so give it a thumbs up just for this word of the day. And write and let me know how you pick your mate, and what was your criteria, or the mate that you wish to pick. Alright? Alright, that's the word of the day. Let's check on our home fries, okay? Thanks. Okay, let's turn our home fries over. Oh, it's getting brown, so it's close to being done. Okay, so I'm going to take a piece out and see if it's soft. That's how I'm going to tell if it's done. So I'm going to pick a thick piece of potato. Let me get this thick one here. Okay, so I'm going to blow it. And I put the red peppers in it for color, so that, you know, your dish should always look appetizing to the eye. Okay, and also for taste, but mainly color. Okay, let me taste. Not quite. I would say another 3 minutes and I should be completely done. Okay, so I'm going to cover this back. We're going to let that cook for 3 more minutes. And then I'm going to take it out, plate it, and show you. Okay? Okay, so let me get my setup. Okay, let's see. Our home fries have been cooking for about 20 minutes with a cover on it. Oh yeah, we're ready. Okay, so I'm going to plate them up, and then I'm going to show you. Let me see. Okay guys, here's our home fries. Look at that. You like that? Bring that to your table. Okay, so can we stop right now and give it a thumbs up? I brought it to you. Give it a thumbs up, would you please? Okay, let me taste for you, alright? Okay. Okay, for all you potato lovers, you're gonna love this. I still have the firmness, but not mushed or broken up. The flavor is awesome, awesome. I just love it. So just imagine that with some fried eggs and some meat. Oh boy. So follow me to the next video and I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright? Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. I appreciate you. Okay, talk to you soon.